Our IP strategy has evolved as the business has evolved. In the very beginning, we had a broad, overarching concept that could be applied in many different places. It could be applied to consumer goods, sporting equipment, aerospace, defense, machinery. In the very beginning, we didn't know as a company exactly which direction we would take. So we had a lot of different concepts. We filed for a lot of different patents. But then as the business strategy changed and focused more on being a machine supplier, so did our patent strategy. We focused on the machines, the processes implemented by the machines, the materials used by the machines. And now as we continue to refine our focus and look more towards hypersonics and high temperature materials, our IP strategy is changing as well. We're looking at preforms, materials, and densification processes. The concept is to continually focus that IP strategy on the business goals of the company.